Hello, I am gonna show how to make a bootable pen drive with command prompt. Open command promote, type disk part then press enter. Type list disk and press enter, you will see the list of disk on your computer. Then, type select disk number of your pen drive, make sure you should have select the pen drive number then hit enter. Your disk has been selected. Then, type clean and press enter. Then, type create partition primary and press enter. Then, type active and press enter. You need to format this pen drive as NTFS, see the following command. Disk part successfully formatted your pen drive. Then type assign and press enter. Type exit and press enter, now you will see your pen drive is bootable. Then, directly copy your ISO file to your pen drive. This copy may take some time, so I skip this process. Finally, this pen drive has been bootable. Thanks for watching.